Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish in your Skool community so you can actually create valuable content and direct the content inside particular category. First thing, you want to scroll on the upper menu all the way to the side. Then you want to click on the first option, which is community. Then you will have the small diagonal box which says write something. You want to click on write something, and then you have two options. Essentially you're writing a blog post. You have a title, and then you have a body where you can essentially add multiple different elements, different paragraphs. And if you want to add a picture so you can have a complete blog post, you can click on the small pin on the lower left side. So if I click on the small pin, you will see we have 4 different elements that we can actually add to our blog post. We can attach a file, which could be a PDF. We can attach a link from a YouTube video. We can add a video link, which could be from some other platform, and then we can add action. So essentially we might include a special button where they can click and they access a third-party software or third-party website. We can also ask them to give their opinion or to vote on the poll. The next icon over here with the bar chart, we have multiple different options. We can add more options over here and ask a question with the poll. The last option is over here. We can add GIF to make the post a little more playful, to attract more attention and to give people a different vibe so they can get a sense of what the post is really about. The last option over here is to select a category, which means that when you create your own Skool, you have different categories for each and every post. For example, if you are a moderator or an admin, you have the capability to publish under announcements. In our case, in our group Men's Health Premium, we have a mental strength and motivation, which we give our members information on the daily basis about different workouts, different trainings, different diets that are coming to us. The second option over here, we're publishing under the daily member health insights, where we're essentially bringing up case studies with different members or different friends of our community where they share their own cases. They break down how they achieved their results and they give tips. The last section we have over here is for community members only, where they're sharing their own story and their own goals. For example, you can come over here and say, I want to lose weight, or I want to build muscle, or I want to learn how to sleep better or to wake up early, right? All these things. You can share this with the community and you can get the feedback or you can get some advice from other members. Essentially, this is how you create the post. You add the title, you add the body, you add the link or some image or some GIF, you ask a question or you run a poll, and at the end you just label your post by any of these different categories, which will help people to identify what type of content stays where inside the community. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe, and if you want to join the community, click on the link under the video so you can essentially get the benefits from living healthy and long life.